Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. So I got my Boxycharm in the mail last night and I was going to film last night, but my mom and we went out to dinner and watched Supernatural all night. I just started watching Supernatural maybe 2 weeks ago. Can you believe that? I've like never watched Supernatural until just now, so I'm loving it. It's great. It's fabulous. So let's see what I got in my Boxycharm today. Ooh. I already know I'm really excited for the GlamGlow. I have never tried GlamGlow's products before. Here is our GlamGlow. Such pretty packaging. I'm so excited to try this. No smell. We'll throw this away. I'm sure by now you guys already know the theme is Make Waves. I did get Dose of Colors in the shade Stone. That is really pretty packaging. Ooh, and I did get the Eye Lustrous eyeshadow, and I got this in the shade Cupid. I really wanted the shade Ice, so I'm gonna leave this in the package, and if anybody has the shade Ice and they want to trade for it, let me know. And then I did get the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio Kit. And here we are. Very pretty colors. Wow, the indentions are so deep. That's insane. I don't know. Can you guys tell how deep it is? That's crazy. I did get Bodyography pencil in the shade Emerald. And I got Variation 1. I think I did see this exact same variation like in 2 other videos that I watched, and it's okay. I really wanted this in the darker palette. I got it in Fair Light because I wanted to use it as eyeshadows, but it's all good. I want to try this color on in the color Stone, so let's see. It's like the same color as my lips. It's pretty though. So I'm gonna let it dry down. It's still very wet. Alright, we'll throw that away. Let's put some of this blush on. Scorcher is really calling my name. I love orange blushes. So let's see how this looks. It's pretty. Nice and subtle. I'm sure it's very buildable. Let's see. It's so cute. Oh, I love it. I'm glad I got this palette. I guess that's why they do make it for that, whatever. I might still go, depending on how the other 2 work out, I might still go and order the darker palette as eyeshadows, but maybe I'll try it out with this first before I go and do that. Alright, and like I said, I'm going to keep the Cupid eyeshadow in its package because I do want to get the other color if anybody would like to trade with me. Let me know. And then I've got I think the lighting's messing up my camera today. I'm filming in the daytime right now, so let's go ahead and put some, you know what? We're gonna use this as eyeshadow. Alright, I'm gonna go in with Scorcher, this one on the end. And I'm gonna go in my crease. Oh, I forgot to do primer again. Whatever, I don't care. I don't care at all. Because I'm not doing anything today except for watching more Supernatural with my mama. So that went on very nicely. I packed that one on a little bit too heavily. Let's blend it out. I'm going in with Parazio. God, I probably butchered that. Alright, I'm gonna go kind of right on the outer corner and bring it down. And then I'm gonna go in with Castaway right in the inner corner of my eyes. I think that turned out pretty nicely. The lips are also dried now. I think it's a beautiful color. I'm really happy that I got this. Alright, I went ahead and popped on some of this Bodyography eyeliner in Emerald on my bottom lashes. And I'm going to go in with the Power Up Mascara that we got in our Boxycharm last month. Oh, this blush would go so well with that palette. Ha ha ha. I see what you're doing there. Alright, so let's see. It's got chunks still on this. Does anybody know a good way to keep your mascaras from clumping up? If you do, let me know down in the comments, please. Alright. So overall, the Boxycharm this month was amazing in my opinion. I do wish that I got the color, the shade Ice in this eyeshadow, but that's fine. I mean, I can always trade it out or give it in a giveaway or see if my mom wants it. You know, I have a lot of options, so depending on who wants that or what I do with it, I'll let you know. If you do want to trade it, let me know because that would be cool. Thank you guys so much for watching my Boxycharm unboxing this month. I hope you guys like it. I hope you liked the look I did. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I do have a Facebook page. I put a poll up on there. How did you like my Fire and Ice videos? Did you like them shorter and in 2 parts? Or would you prefer a longer video? Let me know down in the comments and I will be reading them. I will see you next time. Bye guys. Okie dokie artichokes. Let us do this right now.